Precision laser cutting. Starting with the finest raw materials, we use advanced laser cutting technology to ensure every panel and bracket is cut to microscopic precision for perfect fit. CNC bending forming. Expert craftsmen operate our precision press brakes to transform flat metal sheets into rigid, high-strength structural components. This ensures your camper is built tough to withstand off-road vibrations. Rugged aluminum welding. Our campers feature a 100% aluminum diamond plate structure, expertly welded by hand to create a road-proof, lightweight shell that withstands the toughest off-road trails without racking apart. At Yuanbei Manufacture, quality isn't just a promise, it's our process. From raw aluminum to the final assembly, we control every step in our own facility. Whether you need one unit or a fleet, we are your trusted factory partner. Get your quote today.